Do I have to look at the camera?
No, you don't.
Okay. This is a historical house, as Chris has said, and the desire here is to repair the walls and the ceilings back with plaster. And what we're doing is we're putting up a plaster board, and then we're doing what we call conventional plaster on top of that. It's a heavy base coat, and then we'll put a finish coat on the different areas that need to be finished to paint. And then we're just going through and making necessary repairs to the different walls and things like that.
So why is it important to restore this plaster the way it is as opposed to doing drywall?
Well, actually when you're working with plaster like this, you do kind of want to use something as close to the original plaster as possible. Some of it's just aesthetics, that's what the customer prefers, and some of it is, there is different shrinkage rates between drywall and plaster, and it will crack, whereas if you're going to use plaster, you know, it's the material that's already here, so it behaves as it should.
Right. And even though you've replaced a big section here, what's this going to look like when it's done?
Well, most of this is going to be covered up with cabinets here.
Okay.
So you won't see most of this when it's done. But it'll kind of look like, this is what I have up here, this is the base coat already on up here. And now this will get covered again, this will get covered with cabinets. But what would happen after this is we would tie it into the existing plaster by using some mesh, and then we put a white coat over top of that. The base coat, the white coat is what then gets painted or papered or however you want to decorate that.
And this base coat is a little coarser than the final?
Yes, yes. The base coat is sanded, and meaning it has sand in it.
Oh.
And that gives it, that's an aggregate, that's what helps it adhere at the thickness that we put it on. This plaster is probably 3/4 of an inch thick or so. And then the white coat is smooth. It's just a lime base plaster that's smooth, and you trowel it on and trowel it smooth.
Okay, great. So if we would have a customer that needs a historic restoration like this customer was concerned about, we can handle that?
Yes. Yeah.
With a smile.
With a smile.
Thanks, Jim.